Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just want to make a quick video of this car that I got for $100. Honda Accord 2000 coupe and automatic. I don't think they made them in manual. I could be wrong. This is what I read online, Wikipedia. So, anyways, I got this car for $100, and it's been sitting up here at the neighbor's house. Had obviously been dragged or towed from somewhere else. So I figured it might be a quick fix and get on it. First thing I noticed when I got in the car, that the original key had been missing. So I knew this car wouldn't start up without a key. So I got online and I looked for weeks for the right ECU for this car. Could not find one. Kept looking. Finally I found one with the key programmed. So I went ahead and picked that one up. So I plugged that in. I bought a new battery, new terminals, new ECU, new transponder, new key. I think I already mentioned all that. And then I noticed that all the fuses had been taken underneath the hood and the fuse box. So I replaced all those. The green light, the green key light on the dash, it goes away. And the check engine light comes on, so it's making connection with the ECU, but it still won't start up. So I pulled one of the coil packs, and no spark. I grounded it to the valve cover there, no sparks whatsoever. So I don't know what to do next. There's no distributor on these. There's no distributor on this model. For some reason, they didn't do it. They just didn't put one on there. It goes. The wires go straight from the coil packs to the firewall, and I'm assuming right into the ECU or into the car or something. So if anybody out there's got any kind of advice, maybe I should just scrap it or, part it out. I don't know. I tried plugging in my code reader. Nothing. It says it cannot make a connection. So if anybody out there on the YouTube, out there in the stratosphere, atmosphere, environmental sphere, got any clue to what's going on, let me know. Alright, thanks. Peace.